Meaning of Gentleman Jim.
Gentleman Jim.
Gentleman Jim.
Gentleman Jim.
Gentleman Jim. Gentleman Jim is a nickname given to James J. Corbett, an American professional boxer who lived from 1866 to 1933. Corbett was known for his refined manners and sophisticated style, which was rare for a boxer at the time. He was also the first person to defeat John L. Sullivan, a legendary heavyweight champion who had been unbeaten for over a decade. The nickname Gentleman Jim reflects Corbett's reputation for being a gracious and well-spoken athlete who represented the sport of boxing with dignity and class.